Hi guys, I'm Uklocksport from uklocksport.co.uk. This is a video of single pin picking a HILKA 50mm padlock out the package. Got this from my local JTF store today, and I was taking my lad down to buy my little presents. I've got to do this quite quickly because my battery is running out on the camera. Basically it says double locking shackle, protected vinyl base and 3 keys. On the back, same sort of thing, but it says laminated steel body, protective vinyl bumper, suitable for indoor use. So let's have a go at quickly getting this open. I've picked a couple of picks and wrenches out. That does not fit, so let's try another one. Typical out the package picking. Very sloppy keyway there, bit of spring in it. So here we go. Bit of time. It's popped open. HILKA 50mm padlock. Let's have a look at the keys. It's 1, 2, 3. I think it's only a 4-pin. That's the bitting on the keys. So if you are newbies to Uklocksport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk, and while on the forum visit our store specialkeys.co.uk, where you can buy all sorts of bump keys and bits and pieces. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.